Welcome to the Yard Mojo channel. Today we're exploring 10 ways to reinvent your outdoor space for very little money. We have many ideas to transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and peaceful oasis. Are you ready to transform your yard? Let's dive in. Ready for some DIY? Roll up your sleeves and let's get started. Transform your yard by pulling weeds, removing any garbage, and decluttering unnecessary items. It's like magic. The difference is immediate. It's not only about being tidy, but also about preparing your overall yard design. Cleaning your yard makes your home look better and gets it ready for future improvements. So grab those garden gloves, pull out that rake, and let's get to work. A tidy yard is just the beginning of our transformation. Next, let's add some structure to your garden beds. Outlining your gardens can give your yard a fresh, clean look, and it doesn't have to be expensive. You can use things you already have, like rocks, old bricks, or pieces of recycled wood. You can use these throwaway materials to make your garden beds stand out and give your plants a designated area to thrive. Remember, a well-defined garden bed is a canvas for your yard's masterpiece. Now it's time to give your garden beds a polished look. Adding a layer of mulch brings immediate aesthetic appeal, but the benefits of mulch run a little deeper. It serves as a moisture retainer, ensuring your plants stay hydrated. It also suppresses pesky weeds, providing a healthier environment for your plants. With mulch, your garden beds are not only attractive, but also healthier. Ever thought about creating your own garden pathway? It's a brilliant way to add structure, and it's easier than you might think. Reclaimed bricks or stones can be a cost-effective solution. Once you find these materials, you can arrange them in a pattern that suits your style. Remember, creative pathways aren't only a practical element, they're an invitation to explore, a guide through your garden's story. A pathway not only adds structure, but also invites exploration of your landscaping. An easy way to add color and flexibility is with potted plants. These portable little gardens are not only affordable, they're also easy to care for. You can use pots to change your yard's layout and keep it fresh and appealing. Choose vibrant, hardy plants that need minimal upkeep for greatest impact. From succulents to marigolds, you have a lot of choices. Potted plants provide an instant splash of color and life to your yard. Now it's time to invite some feathered friends. Adding a bird feeder or bath is a simple way to create a lively atmosphere. Feeders and baths give birds a place to eat, drink, and bathe. They also attract different species, which means more color, movement, and song to your outdoor area. Also, these flying guests can reduce the number of insects in your yard. This makes your outdoor space a nicer place to relax. Birds add a touch of nature's music and help control insect pests in your yard. Next, a fresh coat of paint can do wonders. It's like magic, really. The old weathered garden bench or faded patio table can be given new life with a little splash of color. By painting outdoor furniture, fences, and decor, you're not only covering up the wear and tear, but transforming them into eye-catching pieces. You can change your yard's look and show off your style with this affordable makeover. With a stroke of paint, your yard furniture becomes a vibrant part of your outdoor landscape. Let's light up your yard. Installing outdoor lighting is a brilliant way to add ambience and charm to your garden. There are many cheap options such as string lights on trees or solar pathway lights. These lights not only illuminate your way, but they also emphasize your garden's features, creating a magical landscape when the sun goes down. So why not give it a try? Outdoor lighting adds a magical touch that makes your yard glow in the evening. Ever thought of turning trash into treasure? You can reuse the old bucket, crates, and rusty hardware lying around your garage and attic. We can turn these things into unique garden decorations that are good for the environment and cheap. Imagine a bucket as a rustic flower pot or hardware turned into wind chimes. With a little creativity, these repurposed items add a unique and personal touch to your yard. Last but not least, choose your plants wisely. The magic of a beautiful garden lies in smart plant selection. Choose low-maintenance, easy-care plants that thrive in your local climate. They'll not only adapt better, but also require less work and resources. Think about perennial herbs, succulents, or native shrubs. These tough winners can handle different weather and still give you the look you want. Easy care plants not only add beauty, but also ensure a stress-free gardening experience. And there you have it. 10 ways to reinvent your outdoor space for very little money. You can declutter, create pathways, add color with potted plants, or invite birds with a feeder. You can transform your yard on a budget. Painting can transform your outdoor furniture. Repurposing old items adds a unique touch to your yard. Don't forget about the power of easy care plants and a little outdoor lighting. Thank you for joining us today on Yard Mojo. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for a touch of greenery. Happy gardening!